Elvis weddings.
I did not think that there'd be a wedding chapel in our hotel, but there was. I mean, I knew that there was a lot of them. I just didn't know there'd be one in like every hotel. Dad, do you want to see Magic Mike live?
I will if you do.
That's very kind of you. Dad, do you want to go to the ye old general store?
Marie, whatever you want to do, we'll do.
My sarcasm is too dry, clearly. Hot pickle. You want some juicy pickle? Whoa! Look at all these rocks. They're salty.
I guess that's what makes pickles. Say about alcoholics.
What?
Once you're a pickle, you can't become a cucumber again.
Well, we finally made it. Time to actually do the thing. Oh, God. I didn't know it'd be sandy. Oh, no. Oh, look at this little geck. Little gecko. Little gecko. Hello, little gecko. Bye.
Here, while traveling from Bakersfield to Salt Lake City on a buckboard, he stopped near this spot, tied his horse to the back of the wagon, and wandered around, possibly looking for water. Eventually, he crawled under his buckboard and died, presumably from thirst. There's cows.
Cows? Where?
You're right.
What?
Bottom of the hill.
What?
Red rock, pink rock.
It's a
orange.
new Dr. Seuss book. They should do in this
What
style.
color would you call this?
They
on
probably
the
get
top?
sued. He's probably got good lawyers.
Hi.